program held at Rongmongve to honor Rangsina Sarpo. Mother of two goes missing from Doyangmuk. Good morning, viewers. Myself, Malin Timungpi, brings you today's news updates. A one-day program to honor Rangsina Sarpo was held at Rongmongve High School playground on Friday. Rangsina Sarpo is a Karbi deity and is said to be the first mentor of the Karbis in the field of arts, music, and culture. Biren Tiron presided over the meeting held on the occasions. SGB Jamson Phangcho, Bibison Kathar, Vidyaram Singnar, Jem Kramsa, and several village chiefs of the nearby villages attended the program. It was resolved in the meeting to form a committee in January for organizing a yearly program to honor Rangsina Sarpo regularly and to celebrate December 25th every year as Rangsina Sarpo Day. Dilip Togbi from Rongmongve, 465 News, India.
Pini la solam pe, pini la so chatai rong itum kido, kumane bang phi bangke, ba kumane kamatha, jongsi, kamatha kumine, hingorem pukedo tum pulote, pini la so alam pe butak kami asukung bana kamatha dumta dota hai. Sita, pini biposi litum nang litum pan ki hangma, nang litum panadak junang litum pini kenang sot.
Subita Biswas, wife of Rachlal Biswas of Durgapur in Doyangmuk under Kheruni police station in West Karbi Anglong, has gone missing since Tuesday. According to her husband, she was unwell after childbirth. On Tuesday, she had left home to bring medicine from a kabiraj named Rukhibul in Karikhana in Lanka, but she hasn't returned home since then. When Rachlar went to Rukhibul to inquire about his wife, he was told that she left after collecting her medicines, after which Rachlar and his family searched for her at various places, but she wasn't found. An FIR was also lodged at Kheruni police stations, but the police haven't been able to trace the missing woman till date. The missing woman is also a mother of two small children who are eagerly awaiting their mother's return. Meanwhile, her husband suspects Kabiraj Rukhibul of foul play. Joyram Kathar from Kheruni, 465 News, India.
ছোৱালীটো তো কালি ক'লে মোৰ মাকত ছোৱালীটো মই কেনেকৈ বুজাম দুইবাৰ তিনিবাৰ মোক সুধিছে মাকত মই কৈ আছোঁ ৰ আহিব তোৰ মা এতিয়া তাক মাৰা নিদিম ক'ৰ পৰা মই
কিমান ডাঙৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাক
ছোৱালীটো 4 বছৰ হ'ল আৰু ল'ৰা এটা আছে 9 মাহ হ'ল এতিয়া দুধ খায় এই জন্ম হোৱাৰ পৰা তাৰ মাৰ দুধটো পোৱা নাই মানে কিবা কিবি খুৱাই বচাই আছোঁ
Dear viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.